Today I'm going to walk you through how to solve an issue you may encounter when trying to use Office 365 apps on a Windows machine after our tenant migration. This issue is caused by leftover login information prior to the migration, so I'm here to walk you through deleting that cached login data so you can get back into your apps. Don't worry, this will only take a bit. The first step is going to require restarting your computer. Starting from fresh ensures no Office apps are running in the background and using those files that we need to delete. Don't worry, you can still open up your browser after the reboot to pull this video up if you need to copy-paste something or just need to follow along. Now that the computer is restarted, you will need to right-click the Windows key and press the option labeled Run. Then a dialog box will appear. Type %localappdata%, all one word, and this is also in the description in case you need it. After that's typed out, press Enter, then your File Explorer will appear. Look for the Microsoft folder and open it. Once you're in there, you're going to look for a folder named IdentityCache, and when you find it, right-click it and delete it. Then you're going to look for a folder named OneAuth and do exactly the same thing. And you're done. The next time you open up Word or Excel, just sign into your account and you'll be set. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us by our email and phone listed on the screen.